Okay, just a short video on the water temperature sensor location on a 2012 Juke. Flip the camera. Okay, so this is the Juke. This front end style, I don't know what years, it's a 2012. This is a engine. Let's just disregard that it doesn't have water and it is nasty, but the sensor is just following the water neck right here. Just follow it down and it is right there, because there's many of videos on YouTube that I've tried searching, because it just looks like a mess up here, a mess. And they really take care of this vehicle for sure, like really well taken care of, and they don't know why it's overheating. But anyways, so the temperature sensor location, water fill neck, just follow it down and it is right there. So I just unplugged the connector, which is this one. It looks very uncomfortable, but it's not. Just moving the battery right here a little bit this way. You can see it from here. I have a long extension and a 3/4, and I have the new sensor. I don't know the part number. I threw away the box, but it's a 2-wire plug. So I had also brought a wrench, but it's 3/4, and this is the perfect one. So just a quick video just to show that, not a whole lot to say about this, but long extension and a deep socket, 3/4. If yours actually has water, it might spill a little bit down there, but if it doesn't, no worries. Let's see if we can pull it out. Oh. Alright, so we're gonna replace this one. I already have some Teflon, and it does have a crush washer. This one has a bronze crush washer here. There it is. It's a straight view from here. Battery, boom, right there. So I'll try to do all this in one video. I didn't plan on removing and installing, but it was just to show the location, because I've seen videos after looking at all this engine, and it just looks like a mess, you know. I couldn't find it, so I was like, let me Google it or YouTube it, and they were just giving me the runaround, trying to make me watch the whole video without showing me where it's at, symptoms and all that. Yeah, I already bought the part. There it is. Now you gotta tighten it, good tighten, and then we're gonna loosen it up and just give it another tight. I'm gonna use 2 hands just to give it a nice. There it is, nice crush, tight seal. And I'll see if I can plug the connector. Give me a second. There it is. Brand new water temperature sensor installed on this Nissan Juke. It's a V6. I don't know the liter of the engine, but it's a V6. So that is installed. We're gonna get some water in here. At least water is better than nothing. So thank you guys for watching. Short video. This was just, I need to borrow this vehicle so that I can do a oil pump replacement on my 07 Tahoe. So check out the next video coming up. That's gonna be it for this one. Peace out.